We got a lot to do in this video. We had our last Quest 3 giveaway just end. We gotta pick a winner for that. We gotta start up another one already because it's been such a huge month. All of you have done so much, as you can see some of back here. Our Vario Arrow giveaway that Vario Sponsor 2 also ended. Dylan Rassiner. Congratulations, Dylan. Way over there in Belgium. We gotta talk about a lot. Let's do it. Quick shout out to all of you. Not only has the channel absolutely been growing like mad the last few months, but last Saturday we were a part of Thankmas. We streamed a charity live stream and a bunch of you showed up. Every one of these is a name and an amount, and over $1,000 was raised by all of the people coming to this channel. Thank you so much. It's really cool we've gotten to do these charity live streams and that so much was donated through all of you. So huge thank you to all of you out there, everyone that showed up, everyone that participated. Thank you so much. Now it's time to figure out who won our last Quest 3 giveaway. This one basically ran through the month of November, and it's out of 3,952 people, by far the most that have ever entered into one of our giveaways. Unfortunately, only one person can win, but keep in mind we will start a new one right away, so if you want to get entered in that, we'll have details after this. This person is about to win a 128 gigabyte Quest 3. We do the 128s because we are paying for these out of pocket, so that means we can give more of them away. The 512s are a pretty hefty price, but all right, let's get a winner. And congratulations, Nicholas Camel. Congratulations to you. I will hit you up and let you know how we can get that over to you quick. Make sure we get it for you in time for Christmas, just in case. But a huge congratulations, Nicholas. So for those of you who are here who have never entered a giveaway here, or if you're coming back after not winning the last one, basically we do our giveaways through Gleam. That means that there is a link in the description and in the top comment that'll get you over there. Unfortunately, usually I have to put the link through another site, so I usually just put it to my Twitter feed. That way you can jump to that, get straight over there, and then there's multiple ways to enter. You can get extra entries to it by doing more actions. It's fun, and the nice thing is it's really secure. Using Gleam, it gets your email. It only gives that to me if you've won the prize, and there's a lot less dealing with scammers. Speaking of scammers, if you do comment under this video for some reason and some account says, hey, guess what, you've won, I only announce the winners through another video just like this one. If someone gets past our filters, it's a scammer, and says message me on Telegram or something like that, those aren't real people, so keep that in mind. Watch out for these videos. That's the only way. And then I always go through extra steps after the video to verify we have the right person and get the headset directly to them. And they don't pay shipping or anything, so it should always be a red flag with any giveaway. If someone says you've won, you just need to pay for the shipping. No, whoever did the giveaway should be paying for the shipping, and most likely if someone says that, they're just trying to get you to send them the shipping money, and the prize is never going to show up. So links up here, down below, takes you over to Gleam so that you can get entered in that next Quest 3 one. We're going to run that just into the new year. And that's again to say thank you. Thank you for showing up every day, liking the videos, talking to me in the comments, showing up for our charity live stream and donating over $1,000. Last few months has been absolutely wild thanks to all of you. So thank you so much. If you're in Atlanta the week after next, I'm going to be at DreamHack there. So let me know if you're there and you want to come hang out, play some VR with me. Otherwise, I will see you in another reality.